Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix HDR not supported in Windows 11. Basically, to fix the HDR not supported message on Windows 11, first, you must confirm that your display and cable support HDR. So basically, to go ahead and check this out, you want to navigate through the Windows HD color settings, or you can just search for HDR on your Windows settings right here. And basically with that, it will then take you to this page. Inside this page, you will be able to see whether your monitor can handle HDR or not. So in my case, I'm using my second display right here and my first display. And we have the display capabilities to stream HDR videos, use HDR, and use WCG applications. Currently, mine said no. If this is the case, you want to confirm whether your monitor supports it or not. And if your monitor supports it, you want to make sure that you are using the right cable in order to use this specific feature. From there, you will be able to go ahead and use this on the Windows 11. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.